Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and review of the WowCraft multi-purpose portable and a foldable table which is used for the unboxing videos on my channel. This is actually a multi-purpose table guys, and it can be used for work from home purposes, it can be used for study from home purposes, or if you are having a small family you can use it for dining purposes or any other purpose which you need. So this product is available on Amazon for 1950 rupees, and the link for purchasing is as usual present in the description. If you buy from that link, it will certainly help the channel. So let me go ahead and unbox it, and during the unboxing process one thing that I actually observed is the packaging has been done exceptionally well from the seller itself. Since this is a big product, the packaging plays a very important role and it got delivered to me in a pretty good condition. WowCraft is a manufacturer of home and office furniture, and they have their manufacturing facility set up in Bangalore. They build furnitures made of wood, plywood, steel and iron. All the products that they sell are pretty much available on Amazon. This product which we have today is a portable multi-purpose big table which can be used for study or YouTube videos just like how I have done, or work from home purposes as well. Since there is a lot of space at the bottom, you can easily stretch your legs underneath the table as well. The product is made of strong particle board material on the top, and the base is made up of strong metal legs, which makes it strong enough to hold a maximum load of up to 25 kilograms. The length of this product is around 90 centimeters, the width is 60 centimeters and height is 73 centimeters in the unfolded condition. As you can see, there is a sticker that was attached on the top of the table which actually talks about the customer satisfaction, and I am pretty much satisfied with the table. One important observation that we did is that the base frame of the table is actually powder coated, which makes it completely rust free, and also the table is fitted with floor protector bushes that is present on all the four legs, which will actually prevent the stains that might occur on the floors. The table actually becomes completely flat when it is folded, and it can be kept beside your bed or below your bed if you have limited space. When we talk about the design of the table, it is rectangular in shape with a nice ergonomic design which helps us in resting our hands while we are working for longer hours. Also, the frame is strong enough if you plan to mount a top-down mobile or a camera mount on it. The frame is wooden color which looks neat, and I suggest you to wipe it with a dry cloth and do not keep any hot coffee cups or tea cups or something, because it might damage the top wooden surface. As you can see, I am demonstrating how you can use it in one way, and my hands are easily resting on the table. You can adjust the chair height as per the height of the table. When it is completely unfolded and kept on a flat surface or a floor, the height of the table is around 2 feet. If you are looking to buy this table for YouTube purposes as I did, and if you are a YouTuber and looking for a table as such, this table can be used for product demonstration or keeping devices and taking nice shots of it as I am showing. Or you can sit in front of it and do your unboxing videos or anything that you need. And you can even buy different colored sheets and keep it on the top surface of the table to make it look neat, or you can decorate it with different things like a pot or something, and you can customize it as you need. And if you do not like the wooden color, you can even replace it with a nice Formica sheet on the top of a color of your choice. You can even use it as a laptop desk or for work purposes, or you can use it as a dining table if you are having a small family. It might be enough for 2 people. Depending upon your requirements, you can choose what you want to do with it. And one important thing with this table is with respect to the portability of this table. The whole item weighs under 10 kilograms, and you can easily fold it yourself without any help. Keep it aside once your work is done, and also since it folds flat, you can keep it below your bed or something as well. You can just follow the instructions that I am showing, and you can fold the table and keep it aside. And if you want to do the vice versa process, that is of unfolding the table, that is also pretty easy. You can just open the table and just unfold the legs and just tuck the legs under the 2 clamps that is present on the either sides, and you will be good to go. It is a pretty easy process. So that's it for this video guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. And another important thing that I wanted to tell is I'm actually setting up my studio. That is the reason I'm not bringing more of a tech videos. I've done videos related to the studio, and the next few videos will also be the videos which are related to the studio setup. and things like that. So please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching, guys.